Now we're going to be using Inertiajs, but we can install it with the Jetstream package. All good. ddev artisan Jetstream install. So you can say view with inertia or live wire. I always go view with inertia. So I definitely want dark mode. I will want inertia email verification. Not so fussed for SSR. Do I want API? Maybe in the future. Again, I'm just going to stick it in now. It doesn't hurt to put it in. So once I've done that, which testing framework? Always pick Pest. Pest is really, really good. New database migrations were added. Would you like to rerun the migrations? Yes. All done. No issues. Hopefully you've got this far. How do we know it's worked? Easiest way to check is if you've still got your original Laravel page up, you'll see it's just a placeholder. If we reload it now, it's now changed to this.